Welcome to a little guide or manual, depends on how you would like to see it, to how to make a pink cha but at home. So this is actually a complementary video to one we did a while ago, where we explained all the functions of the different teaware and different utensils. And right now we're going to talk about how to actually get all of that and put it in a whole ceremony. So let's start by first warming all of our teaware. It's an important step because by doing that you actually give the tea the possibility to extend the flavors and aromas, So we'll warm everything, starting from the teapot to the gong bei. And the gong bei is, as you may remember, the cup of fairness because it distributes the infusion between different cups. So after doing this, we also give a bit of water to our favorite little teapot. It's a sign of respect and just for the little show. So after doing this step, we'll also warm up the tea. And this is a very interesting step because it's not only useful for later, but also wonderful to enjoy right now. So we get the tea inside after pouring all the tea, all the water out. And after that, you give it a little shake. Literally like this. And you can also do it with a gaiwan, for example, but with a teapot, it's just as nice. And after that, you have basically let the tea meet the steam. And now you can smell the smell of the awoken tea. This is really cool because you get a much more open profile than you would with a dry tea, So really try this out. If you haven't, it's amazing. So after this, we can introduce some more water into the plate and use this for our first infusion, which you throw away actually. Well, you can choose to drink it, but most people opt to get rid of it because it actually wakes up the tea too. So the first infusion isn't that bombastic and full with flavor, and you also wash some of the tea dust away, So it's great for that. So let's make the first infusion. We get our 100-degree water, and by the way, the tea we're drinking is the Alishan. It comes from the highest mountain in Taiwan, and it has a very light and fresh aroma and taste profile. So it's a great one to drink during the day or maybe in the morning as a start. And by the way, you may notice me missing for some crucial part of the pink cha. That's the sieve. It should be on here. But it's actually a choice. It's a preference. I prefer not to use it, just to focus more on the tea itself. And the dust you find in the rolled Taiwanese oolongs is often very minimal, so it's not something I think is required, but you're of course free to make your own personal choice, just my own style. So after doing this, you can redo this whole cycle of water first into the teapot, then into the gong bei, and then into the cups for up to 15 times with some teas. Very tea specific, right? And there's much more information to come about the way or different teas which you should use for different teapots, but that isn't for this video. My goal was actually to give you guys an overview of how it would look, and I hope this information can give you enough experience and can inspire you to do this for friends and family at your own home and in your own setting. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Namaste.